Hello and welcome back to the channel. So this is actually the first video of 2026 that I've recorded. Probably not what you'll see first, but we've got a massive big box here. So let's find out what's inside. You might have had an idea from the title, but let's go and have a look. So a little bit of a premise of where we're at this point. So I was looking for something interesting for the rear of the GR Yaris. Now at the moment, one of the first mods that we put on the car was the Maxton rear spoiler cap, and that's been on now for 35,000 miles or so. Brilliant piece of kit, working fine and fantastic. But I wanted to change it up a bit and go a bit more drastic. So there was a few options out there. Did look at one of the WRC wings like Chris Peplow had on his car. It looked fantastic, but was a little bit worried about whether it would make the front end look like the front end needs more, and then it kind of cascades on there. My second option was a WRC2 wing. Now I really like that. It's still got quite a bit of aggression there, but it's not too OTT. Now the problem is finding one. I reached out to a couple of rally teams, but they are quite expensive and I couldn't stretch to that kind of budget, unfortunately. But if somebody knows somewhere that I can get one that maybe is a little bit cheaper, let me know in the comments down below. And then the third option was I looked at a wing that I've not seen on any Yarises in the UK. There are many different that you can put on there, but one that I've not seen is a Yaris rear wing. So I had a look at that and I really liked it because it had the dip in the center that follows the concaves of the actual roof line. But they are too pretty expensive. And then I found this, and this is what we've ordered. So this I actually ordered from AliExpress. I did a couple, had a little bit of a couple of deals going on, and it actually worked out pretty cost effective, but I've got no idea what the quality's like, what the fitment's going to be like, so that's why you're joining us here as we get this unboxed. So it's landed. It took a month and a half, so not too bad. So let's break into it and see what we've got. Right, so let's take a little goosey gander and see what we've got in this box. Now this rear spoiler I have not seen on any cars in person, so not seen it on a single car in the UK. I've seen pictures of it, never seen it in person. Might only be a couple of centimeters big, you never know. Okay, right, that looks like one part of it. Right, that's a big part there. And then I think this is some hardware. And then it's just more bubble wrap. Right, let's get rid of that. Two fairly large pieces and this smaller piece. So let's start with the small one, shall we? Okay, right. So there's the first piece. So as you can see there, it is a carbon wing that we've gone for. So that is fully carbon. It looks like that's the second piece there. So it might give you an idea of what it's going to look like. Let's get to this piece, maybe. Let's tuck in and see what we can find. So we have, looks like some bolts down here. So we've got a small pack of bolts. They look all the same, they're crossheads. What I might do is see if I can find out what these are, and if we soft mount it, maybe we can get some better looking hardware, because I think they won't look the best against the carbon. So far seems to be packaged nicely. Wow. Wow, it's big.
That's what she said.
Wow, that is a full carbon. I will get some more shots of it. But that's a full carbon rear wing there. You can see where these bits mount. It's got a nice profile to it, and these little dips here which follow the contours of the roof of the GR Yaris, like a bubble roof. Right, so that looks really good. We'll pop that to one side. We'll get the next box. Right, so this is a big one again. So let's dig into this. So far, been really pleased. Now we won't know about fitment until we try and fit it. So that's going to be the crux of it. It may look good, but if it doesn't fit right, then we have made a misstep. And that's always the tricky bit, fitting parts that you've never seen before. I suppose if we went for a part that is a known quantity, we'd probably know how it's going to fit. This whole thing is carbon fibre. You can get a non-carbon fibre version, but wow. Right, this is the bit that actually connects to the trunk lid. Wow. It's not light, that's for sure. Wow, that's the wrong way around. So that is the front of the car, but this is full carbon fibre. Hopefully you can see that. When I say that, the inside isn't, and for what I paid, you kind of expect that, but it looks like in good quality. We've got provisions for the third brake light. It looks like we'll have to drill some holes and maybe run some wiring. That's doable. These have all got little metal hardwares in there, so we've got something that we can really fix onto it. But yeah, there we go. That is that part there. Right, so there we go. We have a complete rear spoiler for the GR Yaris. As I say, this is a Yaris style. It's not a legit Yaris spoiler, unfortunately. My budget does not stretch that far. But these should fit up here, and then that wing will fit on the top there. What I'm actually thinking of doing is I'm just going to test, like loosely put it all together so we've got an idea of the full wing. So I'm going to move this piece out of the way for now. This will give me a good idea how they will fit, and also my thoughts are I might get something that just some of that foam kind of tape to go on here, just to get a good fix. Oh, there are numbers. Okay. So that one's for that side. This one's for this side. Right, these just go straight into the carbon by the looks of it. There are screw holes. I'm not going to put them in all the way. So there is some thread on the inside of the carbon to thread these on, but as I say, I think I'm going to get some new bolts that just look a bit nicer, and we'll probably do some foam tape as well. I think that will make it a bit better. But they're lining up nicely. There we go. So that's the rear part. Let's see if we can connect the two together. Right, and that should go in there somewhat, something like that. It looks like it will, although it doesn't look like it's going to be the easiest of things. Yeah, these are quite a way off. Looks of it on this side. This side not so much. Okay, what I'm going to do is try switching it around the other way. Right, let's see if we can fit these onto here. So now this should go on here like so. Right. I need to flip this over. Try and line up this back one first. Right, that one's in. Can we get one of these to line up now is the question. There was a little bit of movement. Wow, that is stretching it a bit. We have these two in and 2 of the 6 on that side. So let's flip it over to get the final idea. There is some weight to this. It's going to make the rear of the car, the boot lid, quite heavy, to be fair. But there we go. Wow, this is a monster. Oh God, this is massive.
Is too massive, dude. It's massive.
She's huge. She's absolutely huge. Wow. Wow. So there we are, we have unboxed the Yaris style rear spoiler for the GR Yaris from AliExpress. If you like this, I'll put a link to where I purchased it from, the one that I purchased from, so if you want to go and purchase yourself. I've decided to make this 2 videos just because I think there's so much detail into unboxing this that I'm going to do a fitment video separately so we can really dig into it. As I say, I want to change out some of the bolts and it looks like it is not going to be like a direct fit. My other concerns are fitment along here with the actual body of the car. But yeah, we'll get it fitted up, see how it looks, and hopefully you'll see it on the car soon. Until then, goodbye and have a good one.